Alright guys, we have a pretty cool laptop right here that we're gonna be unboxing, so let's just get started. Alright, so right here in this shot, you guys can see everything we get inside the box. So let's start off with the paperwork. Alright, so we do get a quick guide that, by the way, I do have a setup video for you, a review on how to use video when it comes to this laptop and a bunch of others, just in case. On this unboxing video, we're just going to see exactly what we get inside the box, and that's about it. So here's that. We also get this limit warranty summary, which doesn't tell us much. We also get this, and then we got our adapter. So here it is. It's a pretty long one. So this is good. I hate it when they come with like little ones because you could be far away from your outlet. So it's very important to get these guys. So let's just do this, and now this one's ready. So I'm just gonna show you up close. So obviously this will be connected here, but I want to show you an up close shot because some of you are just watching this video just for this cable actually. Sometimes when you're missing a cable, you want to get another one, maybe a replacement or anything like that, you're looking for all these numbers. But there isn't that much around it. Now around the cable, I did see some stuff here. It's going to be hard to focus in, but here we go. We're going to try to focus in as much as possible. There you go. So that's the information around it. So on the cable itself, you actually do get quite a bit of information, whereas other cables, they barely tell you anything at all. And this one, we get a lot of information around it. But anyways, that's this cable, okay? So that's gonna be connected to this guy right here. And I'm gonna do this exact same thing. I'm just gonna do a zoom in so you guys can see all the details around it. So this is the AC adapter. And that's all the information. That's on that end, and that's it. So it's pretty simple. All we do is just hook this up here. So these guys do go together, obviously. And then we hook this up here to charge this guy up. Now let's do a few quick shots around this computer so you guys can check it out. All right, so the design of this laptop is pretty unique. You guys will notice this is transparent. Then we have this gray, which is kind of nice. You don't get smudges on it that easily. So it is pretty good. I don't like it when you get smudges all over too easily. But anyways, let's just look at the back of it. So the ports around this computer, that's what we're gonna look for. So we got some ventilation on the back. Then on the side, we're gonna have these two. So we got Ethernet, got HDMI, USB, USB-C. Perfect. Could not ask more. On the other side, let's take a look at the other side. More ventilation, got USB, headphone jack. So that's perfect as well. And on the front, there's nothing. No more ports. And like I mentioned before, on the back, there's no more ports. So that's all the ports you guys get around this computer. Now let's take a look at the bottom. On the bottom, it's pretty nice design. You guys will notice these guys on the sides, and that's so it doesn't slip from the table. Ventilation, it's the most important thing when it comes down to gaming PCs, gaming laptops. You need lots of ventilation. And now let's just open it up. Here we go. Gonna open it up, take this out, and here's the keyboard. And here it is. It's a pretty sleek design. I'm gonna do a few close-up shots so you guys can see it a little bit better. But before I do that, I want to show you how thin this is. So if you compare this with my finger, you guys can see how thin the screen is. And then on the bottom, same thing. It's pretty thin. It's not a huge laptop. It's pretty thin for a gaming laptop. Obviously, there's lots of laptops out there that are way thinner. Now here's the keyboard. You guys are gonna appreciate this. So you guys will notice that this will light up, and then these guys will light up. Again, gaming PC, gaming laptop, that's what you expected. Here's the side of it again. We do get a camera up here. So that is, in fact, a camera. Trackpad's pretty standard. I think they should have made it a little bit bigger since it's a gaming laptop, but that's okay. You guys will notice some information here on the sides. Here on the sides again. Now, something I don't always do is turn it on an unboxing video because all we have to see is what's inside the box. But with gaming laptops, we want to see the lighting here and all that stuff. So we're gonna turn it on. It should come with some battery. So we're just gonna hold on there until it turns on. Usually they turn on as soon as we lift up this guy right here, but it seems like the battery's out. So we're gonna have to charge it up, which that's a bad thing, by the way, if it doesn't come with any battery. So right now we just hooked it up and let's just turn it on. You guys will notice the keyboard just lit up and now it's just about to turn on. And again, that's what's cool about these gaming laptops. It's usually all the lights that they come with, even around it. So if we turn off the light, and if you're playing dark, you guys can appreciate that lighting a little bit more with all the keyboard. So here is the keyboard and how it looks like when it's completely dark. So it's always nice. These are your main ones that are lit right there. But anyways, as an unboxing video goes, we're all done. Because right now, I would have to do a setup video. And that's exactly what I'm gonna do with this. If you guys wanna see this in action, make sure to watch that video. Watch the review about it, and watch all the other videos that I'm gonna make about this particular gaming laptop. But as of now, we are all done. If you guys have any comments, questions, you guys can write down in the comments area. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Thank you.